Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the pin code to your Philips PFS6939 TV. To do that, we're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon from the home screen of the TV. The gear icon is located in the top right corner of your screen. Select it to open settings. Now in settings we're gonna have to scroll down to child lock, and here select change code. Now here you're gonna have to enter the current code of your TV, and in order to enter it we're gonna have to press a specific button on our remote control, which is this one with 1, 2, 3 digits on it, and this will enable the keyboard on our remote control. And using this keyboard, enter your current pin code and then enter the new pin code using the same method. And enter it again to confirm. And this way your code will be changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.